Hello friends, how are you? My name is Divam and welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Incredible. Friends, today I am going to tell you about motion and its types. Friends, I share very informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. First of all, what is motion? Motion is the change in with time of the position or orientation of a body. Everything in this universe is in a state of continuous movement. For example, the motion of animals and humans. Besides this, the basic particle of a matter, the atom or protons, neurons and electrons is also in the state of continuous motion too. By this, we mean that every single physical procedure in this universe possesses some type of motion, and the motion either be slow or fast, but it is always present. How to identify an object or body in motion? It's pretty clear from the above test that we can determine that any movement in the object by comparing its new position from the original position. Any change in the position of the object with respect to time is considered to be a motion. We find several things that keep on moving, like earth that appears to be still is always in motion in an actual sense. Everything on earth that appears still is actually motion, as the earth itself is moving in motion, that is rotation and revolution. Now, types of motion. Now let us talk about the distinctive types of motions that may be seen in an object. These are linear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, oscillating motion, and vibrating motion. Each of these kinds is carried out with an exclusive mechanical means. Let us analyze more about them in detail. Linear motion. In linear motion, the object moves from one position to another in either a curved direction or a straight line on the premise of the type of direction taken by the object. Linear motion is similarly categorized as rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. Curvilinear motion, on the other hand, is when an object moves along a curved path. For example, a roller coaster ride where the track twists and turns, or a bicycle going around a circular path. In curvilinear motion, the object still moves but its path follows a curve or a bend. Circular motion. Circular motion occurs when an object moves around a fixed point or follows a circular path. For example, swinging a yo-yo in a circle or spinning around on a playground carousel. Circular motion can be called uniform when an object moves around a circle at a constant speed. Non-uniform circular motion, on the other hand, is when an object moves around a circle but changes its speed. Types of circular motion. There are two types of circular motion: revolutionary and rotational motion. Revolutionary motion. In revolutionary motion, the entire object moves in a circular path. This means that the object as a whole is moving around the same fixed point, like the earth moving around the sun or a car driving on a circular track. The object changes its position as it moves, continuously circling around the fixed point. Rotational motion. This type of motion involves the object spinning or rotating around an axis that passes through it. For example, the blades of rotating fan or a potter's wheel. The object stays in the same place with respect to time, but different parts of it move at varying distances. Periodic motion. Periodic motion refers to the type of motion where an object repeats its movement over and over again in a regular pattern. It means that after a certain amount of time, the object goes back to its original position and starts the same motion again. One example is the motion of simple pendulum, like a weight hanging from a string. When you push the weight into one side and let it swing, it will keep swinging back and forth in a regular pattern. This pendulum goes through the same motion, swinging back and forth over and over again. Another example is the motion of a swing. When you swing back and forth on a playground swing, you go through the same motion repeatedly. Each time you swing forward and then backwards. It's a cycle of motion that keeps repeating. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion refers to the type of motion where an object moves back and forth around a fixed point. It's also known as its mean position. It means that the object keeps repeating in motion in a to and fro pattern. There are several types of oscillatory motion. One example is the oscillation of a simple pendulum. The motion of a needle in a sewing machine is another example of oscillatory motion. The needle moves up and down continuously, repeating the same motion as it stitches fabric. It's important to note that every oscillation motion is periodic because it repeats after a fixed interval of time. However, not every periodic motion is oscillatory. Periodic motion refers to any motion that keeps repeating in a regular pattern, but it doesn't necessarily have to be and forth like in an oscillation motion. For example, the circular motion of a planet around the sun is periodic, but it's not oscillatory since it doesn't move back and forth. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is a specific type of oscillatory motion where an object doesn't move as a whole but instead undergoes changes in shape or vibrates. In this type of motion, the object rapidly moves back and forth, creating vibration. There are various examples of vibratory motion. The swinging movement of a swing is common example. When you swing on a playground swing, you move back and forth, creating a vibratory motion. Objects in simultaneous motion. It's worth noting that objects can exhibit multiple types of motion simultaneously. For example, the Earth demonstrates both rotational motion as it spins on its axis and revolutionary motion as it revolves around the sun. A car moving, the wheels of a car rotate rotational motion while the car moves along a path in translational motion. Some more examples of objects exhibiting multiple types of motion simultaneously. A spinning top. When a spinning top rotates around its axis, rotational motion, while also moving in a circular path on a table, which is circular motion. A cyclist pedaling uphill. The cyclist's legs rotate the pedals, which is rotational motion, while the bicycle moves in a linear path, which is translational motion. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.